Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify to Trello for task tracking and supplier follow-ups. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Shopify to Trello for task tracking and supplier follow-ups, start by logging into your Shopify account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type in Trello. Find the Trello app and click on it to open the apps page. On the Trello app page, click on the Add App button. This will prompt you to authorize the app to connect with your Shopify store. Review the permissions, and if you agree, click the Install button. After installation, open the Trello application in a new tab or window. Log into your Trello account if you haven't already. Once in Trello, create a new board for your Shopify tasks. In this new board, create lists for different categories such as supplier follow-ups and tasks. Now, go back to your Shopify. In your Shopify dashboard, navigate to orders or products, depending on what you want to track. Select the relevant order or product that you want to create a task for in Trello. Copy essential details such as the order number, product name, and any tracking information. Return to your Trello board and choose the list where you want to add the new task. Click on Add a card to create a new task. In the card title, paste the order or product name. In the description, paste any extra details you copied from Shopify. You can also add due dates and assign team members to the card for better organization. Continue this process for any other orders or products you want to track. To set up automatic updates, consider using third-party integration tools like Zapier. In Zapier, select Shopify as your trigger app and set it to activate on new orders. Then, choose Trello as your action app and set it to create a new card. Follow the prompts to customize the data that gets sent to Trello. Test the integration to ensure it works smoothly and that tasks populate in your Trello board. Now you can easily manage your Shopify tasks and follow-ups within Trello. With this integration, you'll streamline your workflow and stay organized. Continually monitor your Trello board to keep everything up to date and on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.